In example, it is written that Jimbo has a few toy cars. Okay, Jimbo has few toy cars. He is having four red toy cars and two yellow toy cars. As you can see here, there are one, two, three, four. Four toy cars which is on red color, which is having red color, and there are two toy cars which are yellow. Okay, so you can show the number of toy cars Jimbo had by using number bond as shown. 4 and 2 make as 6. If I ask you how many total cars are there, so you will say, sir, there are that are 6. So you will say one, two, three, four, five, 6. So there are 6 toy cars in total, right? 4 are red and 2 are yellow. So in number bond, you make it two parts. There are two parts. The one in one part you say there are 4 red cars and there are 2 yellow cars. How many total are they? They are total 6. Okay, this is the total, and I break into two parts because 4 are red and 2 are yellow. One part I write in this circle which is 4, which is red, that are 4, and one part I check here how many yellow cards here. These are 2, so I write it 2. And how many total are there? What is whole? So I'll check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are total 6 cards. Same if you have, let's suppose in another example, if you have one apple and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. If you have one apple and 5 pears, and I ask you how many total fruits are there, so you will say, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 fruits. Okay, 4, 5 and 1 makes 6. Okay, because there is one apple, so you write 1 here as it is a one part, and there are 5 pairs, so you write here 5. In the number bond, you add the two parts and you write the two parts first. Like there are 5 pairs, you write 5, and there is only one apple, so you write 1, and then you check the total and you count it like this. If, let's suppose that number is not given, the 6 is not given, this is the missing number, and if the number bond is giving one part is 5, another part is 1, so what you will do, you will add 5 plus 1. So you know when you add 5 plus 1, so you will get 6. How you will get? For that you can use drawing method. You can draw 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many? One more. So you have one more. Now count total: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are total now 6. You can use this drawing method, but here you can see here the total cards are already drawn, so you can count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6, and these are also 6. Okay. Now let's move to the practice zone. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks to write the missing numbers in the number bonds. These are also number bonds, and you have to find out the missing numbers. Remember, you need to write this. This is a part. I should write it. It's a part. Okay. It is a part, and it is also a part, and it is whole. So these are two parts, and these are whole. So in the whole, you need to write the total number, and in the part, you need to, when you need to break it, check how many bananas are there. Okay, how many pairs are there, then you need to write here, here, and then you need to right in a hole. Okay, so if I check bananas, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 bananas, and this is only one. So what should I write in part this, and what should I write in part this, and in total what should I write? I'm going to ask with the students. They will help me to understand this. Okay. So I'm going to ask Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdul Rahman, what should I write here in the part 1?
6.
6. Why 6?
Because we
Yes.
count
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Because there are 6 bananas. Okay. Very good. Now I'll ask two different students. Abdul Rahman Al Wasil. Abdul Rahman Al Wasil. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Abdul Rahman. What should I write in the second part?
1.
Why 1?
Because mango is 1.
Yes, because it's only one. Mango is only one.
Not 2. It's not 3. It's 1.
Yes. Very good. All right. Now I'll ask with Abdul Rauf. Yes, Abdul Rauf, can you hear me?
Yes.
What should I write in a hole?
7.
Why 7?
6 plus 1.
7, because they are in total 7. If you count all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So they are in total 7.
7.
So in the whole, you need to write the total. So the total is 7, right? So you will write 7.
Yes.
Okay. Now we need to check this, the second one. All right, I'm going to ask with Ilhaj. Ilhaj, can you hear me? Yes, Ilhaj, can you hear me? Can't hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes, Ilhaj. Please tell me, what should I write in part 1 on B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Why 2?
Because it's 2 frogs.
Very good.
Not 3.
Very good. So I will write 2 here. Okay.
Yalla right, Tina? Right, 2.
Let me also write 2.
Yes, you need to write 2 also. Okay. I'll take one more student to answer. And Hamza Al Sayyed. Hamza Al Sayyed, can you hear me?
Always.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamza. What should I write in the second part?
7.
Why 7?
Because it's 7.
Yes, because it is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll write 7 here. Okay, now I will ask one more student, what should I write in total? What should I write in total? Muhammad Saleh, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad Saleh. What should I write here in the total? Yes. What should I write here in the total?
7.
Why 7?
2.
No, this is 2. These frogs are 2. These are 7. How many total are there? Count all. How many are there? 1, 2. Count with me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
and
3,
yes. Yes, yes, 4.
4,
Then
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
how many total are there?
9.
So you will write 9, not 7. Okay. For the total, you will count all. For the total, you will count all. Okay. For the total, you will count all. Complete it in your book also. Fast. All of you complete it in your book also. I'm giving you only 1 minute to complete it in your book.
Yes, sir. I completed, sir. Sir, I am completed.
Okay.
6 plus 1. Sir, I have completed. I completed.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Sir, 6 plus 1 equals 7 and 2 plus 7 equals 9.
Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. Come to the next page, please. That is page number 35. Page number 35. Write the missing numbers in the number bond. Write the missing numbers in the number bond. Okay, so you have to answer it with me. You know very well, they are the parts. In order to find out the full, what you will do, you will add these two. 2 plus 3, you will add it. And if you don't know how to add it, you can draw the lines for that. For 2 plus 3, what you will do here, you will draw lines. 1, 2, and how many you need to add? 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then you will count in total and you can fill it here. Okay. So in that way you can do it. I'm going to ask this question from you now. Hamza Al Sayyed. Hamza Al Sayyed, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hamza, would you like to tell me what should I write here? Here,
5
5. Why 5?
because 3
Yes,
plus 2 equal 5.
5. Very good. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we are going to write here 5. Is 5. Now I'll take one more participant to answer. Abdullah. Abdullah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Abdullah, tell me what should I write here in the B? Can you add 4 and 4? If you cannot, so draw the lines. Draw the lines. What is the number 4? Draw 4 lines. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4. What is the next number? Also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count all the lines now. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is
8.
8. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. The answer is 8.
8.
Okay. Now for the D. We have for D. Okay. Al-Malik. Al-Malik, can you hear me? Yes, Al-Malik, can you hear me? Al-Malik, can you hear me? Cannot hear me. Asim Aziz, can you hear me? Okay, Asim. The question is, what should I write here? 3 and 5. Yes. Yes. 3 and 5. What should I do here? What should I write here? I need to add this. These are two parts. I want to know about the total. So how I would add it? 5 plus 3. If you don't know addition, draw the lines. Draw 3 lines, then draw 5 lines and count the total and tell me. If you don't know addition, if you don't know 3 plus 5, if you cannot do by finger, draw by lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many total lines are there? Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So what is the answer? Asim. The answer is 8. The answer is 8. Write 8, please. The answer is 8. For the last part, D, I will ask Qasim Aziz. Hamza Basim. Hamza Basim. Hassan Asad. Okay. Hassan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Hassan, what should I write here? 9 and 1 are the parts. What is the total?
9.
9 and 1 gives you what? What number? If there are 9 bananas and 1 orange, how many total fruits are there? Yes, it's very easy. If you want to find out the total, add these two numbers. 9 and 1. 9 plus 1 equals to what? 9 and 1 equals to what? Be on a line, Hassan. Umar Mustafa. Umar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
What should I write here? 9 and 1.
9 and what?
9 and 1. What should I write here? The total. These are the part, 9 and 1. What is the total of 9 and 1?
10.
10. Very good. The answer is 10. When you add 9 and 1, you will get result 10. You can draw the 9 lines and draw one line and count all these. So you will get the answer, that is 10. Okay, very good. So this from the book, okay. Now we will do some practice. We will do some practice. Okay, this is also a number bond, right? But this is, in this number bond, you are giving a total. You are giving a total and you are asking for a one part, okay? You know that if you add these two parts, you will get the total. But if the question asks you one of the part, so what you need to do, you just need to subtract one of its part from the whole, okay? So let's suppose there are how many cubes? Total 2 cubes. So 1 is the first part. In the second part, how many numbers should be? So if I minus 1 from 2, so I'll get the answer 1. I'll get the answer 1. So in that way, I know that I should place 1 here in order to complete this number bond. How I do it? Because there are total how many bonds? 2. And the 1 is given, that is 1. Okay. So for that, if you don't know how to subtract, use the drawing line again. 1 and 2. There are total 2 and one part is given. So just cut out 1. How many is left? Only 1. That's when you need to write 1 here. Same here, you can see. It is 1 and the total is 3. There are 1, 2, 3. Total 3. And one part is 1. What is the second part? So draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And check. How many you have in the part 1? Only 1. So you cut out 1. What is left? 2 is left. So you will write 1, 2, 2 here. Okay, I will ask now. This is for practice. This is not from your book. This is for practice. iPad Muhammad. Yes, iPad Muhammad, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, please tell me, what should I write here?
1 plus كام يدينا 3
2.
1 plus
2.
which number should give you 3? 1 plus 2. Very good. The answer is 2. Okay. So the answer is 2 here. Now for another question, I will take one more student. I asked Imam Mustafa, Muhammad Saleh. Muhammad, can you hear me? Yes, Muhammad, can you hear me? Muhammad, can you hear me? Hamad Al-Khalaf, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Hamad. Please tell me what number should I write here? 7 is the total, 3 is the one, part 1. Tell me the part 2. In part 2, what should I write?
4.
What?
4.
4. Why 4? Check. Because when you minus 3 from 7, you will get 4. And 3 plus 4
Because
is 7.
3 minus 7
7 minus 3
equals 4.
equal 4. Very good. Even from the diagram you can see here. You can check from the diagram also. This is the one part, 1, 2, 3, and this is the second part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can also check from the diagram. Now, I need to ask to Al-Malak. Al-Malak was not responding. Maybe he respond now. Al-Malak, can you hear me? Al-Malak, can you hear me? He's not opening his mic. Adam Umar. Adam Umar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Adam, did I ask you question before today? Adam, did I ask you question today?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And I give chance to another student. Abdullah. Abdul Muit. Abdul Muit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Abdul. Please tell me what should I write here. Total 5.
3.
Part 1 is 2.
3.
Tell me the second part.
3, sir.
3. Very good. You can
5
easily.
is the answer.
5 is the total and this is
Only 3.
only 3. Okay. Now for the last question, I will take one more student. Ahmad, Lahaj, Hamza, Nasli, Abdullah. Okay, Arish. Yes, Arish, can you hear me? Yes, can you tell me what number should I write here? Total 6, first part is 2. 4. Why 4?
4.
Yes.
Because we have first to 6.
You can check from the picture also that first part is 2. What is the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is remaining, or if you subtract 2 from 6, you will get answer 4.
Balance 2. 2, 6. Okay, 4.
Very good. Now, who did not answer yet? Who did not answer yet? Who did not answer yet? Hamza Basim or Hamza El Husuni? Hamza El Husuni, can you hear me?
Says only.
Yes, Hamza, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hamza, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Tell me, the question is from you. If there are total 8, okay, total is 8 and one part is 4th. Tell me the second part.
4.
Very good, very good, very good. The second part is also 4. Okay. Now, Amir. Amir, can you hear me? Amir, can you
Yes.
hear me? Okay.
Yes.
Amir, if the total is 5 and part 1 is 2, tell me the second part.
3.
3, very good. Very good. Now, if anyone did not answer, send me message on the chat box. If anyone did not answer today, send me message on the chat box. We have last minute left. So today we finished up to number bond, and tomorrow inshallah we will go further. I hope you understand the concept of number bonds. Ammar, you did not answer yet? I think you answered. Okay. Where is Ammar? Yes, Ammar, can you hear me? Ammar,
Yes.
you did not answer today? Yes, you did not answer today?
No.
Okay. Total is 6. Part 1 is 2. Tell me the second part. What number should I write in the second part?
4.
Oh, very good. Very good. So your class time is also finished now. Inshallah, we will start from here tomorrow. We'll start next topic of addition. Take care of yourself, guys. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.